You know, it's hard to talk about fashion and fashion design in the midst of this global crisis, this coronavirus situation. And yet, when we wake up in the morning, we get to choose. We get to choose what to wear, what to do, where to go. We have choice. The power to choose is a very powerful tool. We get to choose this day and how it will unfold for us. In each situation, we get to choose how to handle it, how to hold it, how to deal with it. So let's choose positivity and appreciation, and appreciate what we do have. Let's appreciate today, and to share and to support each other in these uncertain times. Have a great day.